Yeah. You're going dark. I said not too far. Still dark. You have to go in front. Yeah, that'll work there. You have to stay around that area. You're going dark. Remember, these cameras suck on here. Alright, I'm gonna stop it. Okay?